Okay, so when you first walk in, you see like everything. This is the rug that we chose. It's actually really soft and nice. We got this from IKEA. It has really cool like flecks in it. It's like blue and black and silver and white, and I think a little off-white. So I just really liked that because it kind of made the room have a little more like color design to it, if you will. And then over here to the left is just our dressers, and the TV is above the dressers. We need to get a cord hider, whatever that's called, because my husband like hates those cords just dangling there. But we literally like just finished getting this together, so we didn't get it yet. But the dressers are, I believe it's pronounced song sand, if I'm not mistaken. They're from IKEA. They are the 4-drawer dressers. They're really nice in height. They come up to about like right underneath my boobs, I guess. And I'm 5'8", so if that's kind of like a, you know, height reference for you, I will link everything down below. I also have everything linked on my blog, so that way you're able to go back and reference it, and just click on the links and it'll take you straight to everything. But on the top of the dressers, on my dresser, I just have our wax warmer, a little snow globe my daughter gave me for Mother's Day one year, and then just a little dish I got from Walmart, I believe, and that just has like my earrings in it. And then next to it, I got this little organizer from Target. It's just one of their clear acrylic, I believe it's vanity organizer. There you go. It's just one of their clear vanity organizers. I actually got it, I believe, out of like the bathroom bedroom section. And then I just put all of like my lotions, body sprays, and my little perfumes in the front. And then I just have a photo of all of us. We actually need to update it because we have another dog now. And then on my husband's dresser, not too much. He's a guy, so he doesn't really need much, or a jewelry organizer or anything. So he just has his little change counter, and then a picture of us. That's actually, I believe I was pregnant with CJ at the time. And then he has all of like his colognes, body sprays, and then just our Apple TV. I actually have a change thing myself that goes up there, but it's actually in the car because I need to empty it out. It's full. But then over here is our bed, and I'm like in love with it. And with our old furniture, everything was up against this wall, and just by moving it over here in between the windows gave the bedroom like so much more room and such an open feel. I don't even know why we didn't think about moving the furniture around before, but we were just kind of tired of our old furniture anyway, which is pretty hilarious because I recorded an entire video of me rearranging our room only to get new furniture like a week later. But anyway, the bench I got from Ross, and the bed we got from American Freight, along with the mattress and box spring set. It's funny because the bed and the bench match, but I bought them at 2 different times. I just happened to be in Ross and I saw the bench and I was like, oh, that will be perfect. It will match so well, and it actually really did, so I love that a lot. And then next to it, we decided to go with the, again, hope I'm saying this right, Song Sand dresser sets for nightstands. We just used the 3-drawer dressers for the nightstands, and it fit like perfectly in between the windows. The lamps we got from American Freight as well. My little pineapple diffuser, I got that from Walmart. And the gold sparkly coasters, I got those from Target, I believe during Valentine's Day in the dollar spot section. And then we decided to change the color of the handles because the original color is black, and I wanted everything to kind of tie together, especially since our lamps were silver. So I just had Kevin powder coat the handles silver, and it just came out really nice. It was a really nice touch. And that is pretty much how we tied all that together. I love how much more open it feels. I was really hesitant to get white furniture just because in my vanity tour video I said that white furniture is really hard to keep clean, but I feel like with it being bedroom furniture, it's a little easier to keep clean just because it's your bedroom rather than my vanity. So obviously my vanity is going to be a little more dirty because I'm putting on makeup every day. So yeah, the white furniture actually ties everything in really nicely and makes everything feel a lot more open. I got our down comforter from Ross as well, and the pillows are actually an assortment. All of the pillows except for the furry pillow and the 2 small fur pillows I got from At Home, and the small fur pillows I got from Target. I actually got them out of the Target dollar spot, I believe, last Christmas. So they actually fit perfectly. I had already had them and I was like, oh, that's great. But the other pillows I did get from At Home. The bedding we got from Walmart. And then over here is just my desk. Now I kept my original desk setup, especially since our furniture is now white in the bedroom. I figured, you know, it's gonna match a lot better now. I just moved over here in the corner, which actually fit perfectly, and I'm still able to like open the drawers and open my closet door and everything, and it doesn't, you know, like hit, excuse me. So yeah, everything over here didn't change. We just moved it over into the corner and it actually fits really nicely over there. We do need to get new pictures. I want to get something to go in between the windows, but we haven't figured out which one we're gonna do. The photos that we had in the bedroom were they didn't match. And then I did keep my floor length mirror. I also got this from Walmart. I actually got it from Walmart, I believe about, I want to say like a year ago now. So I've had it for a while. It held up really nicely. I'm not quite sure if I'm either going to get a silver floor length mirror or if I'm going to just paint this one. I'm not sure, but as of right now, like, it's fine. It doesn't like throw anything off. I feel like since the rug has different color speckles in it, it kind of, you know, ties in with the mirror. So that's great. And then in my closet, I didn't really do, you know, too much changing. I have my rack in there I have to move around, but I didn't really change much. I just took the 3-drawer dresser that I had in there out to make more room, and then I just have to rearrange stuff in there, but nothing too crazy. And then I just rearranged my purses and stuff and my work uniforms and everything, and then extra throw pillows for different seasons at the top, but nothing too dramatic changed in the closets. And then if you come over here in the bathroom, the only thing I really changed was I took the vanity organizer off of my bathroom counter, which made a lot more room, and I just put that on top of my dresser that you just saw. And then great, there's hair dye on there. And then I just like cleaned that off. And then for bath mats, we just changed them from the tan and black ones that we had to gray. I feel like it fits a lot better with gray than it does with like the multiple colors that we had in here. And then I just kept my black rug to go underneath my vanity, just because, again, there's makeup, it's messy, so I feel like the black kind of camouflages a little bit more. So I just kept that underneath my vanity. I didn't change anything in my vanity. Everything's pretty much the same there. Yeah, I think everything's pretty much the same. I haven't changed anything here. It works perfectly fine for me right now. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. This tray, I've had people ask randomly where I got the tray from. I got the tray from IKEA as well. I believe they have different colors now also, since IKEA is changing some of the furniture and different things that they have. I think I saw that tray in like a teal or something, so they may have other colors aside from white and teal, but I do know they have white and teal, and I just got white because obviously everything in my room is white for the most part. But we just wanted to go, I wanted to go with like a, you know, white base with like the furniture and everything, but then I also wanted to tie in some different colors, which is why I have like the mustard yellow, and well, it's kind of showing off like a yellow gold in the camera, but it's like a mustard yellow in person, and then I have like navy and different blues, just so I can make it still a little more masculine. I didn't want to like make my husband feel like he was walking into a princess room. I wanted him to feel included as well. So when we did our little color scheme for the bedroom, we went with white and blues and whites, blues, and like a mustard yellow, just for like a pop of color. I may get a throw to go at the end of the bed. I'm not 100% sure yet, but as of right now, I'm just really happy with it. It came out really nicely, and we were able to redo the whole room and get all new furniture and everything for under $1,800, which is great. It sounds like a lot, but anyone that has done any sort of like home redecoration or getting new furniture or anything like that knows that it can get very pricey very quickly. And I had to be really disciplined with this because I was getting super excited in the stores. So yeah, we definitely were able to do this for under $1,800 with all new furniture. In my blog, I go a little more into detail on how I was able to save and what I did with, like, you know, coupons and sales and stuff like that. But yeah, so this is it. I'm really happy with it. Just do like a little overview. And it's really nice because we didn't have to move the TV. We were worried we would have to move the TV since we put the bed between the windows, but our TV mount actually like comes out and tilts, so it just tilts right perfectly so we can see it when we're in bed. But yeah, so this is it. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything I didn't go over in the video, please let me know, and I will definitely comment you back. I will try and put everything in the bottom bar below. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I will also do my living room tour as well, because we did redo that also. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.